When the humans sleep, the kitchen kingdom awakes.
But tonight, the balance of the kingdom has been shattered.
The golden spoon is gone. This is no accident.
I smelled the disturbance from the fruit bowl, Chief.
Reporting for duty. The perimeter is secure.
Honey. Fresh, organic, and suspiciously placed.
A trail of crumbs. Our thief was either hungry or messy.
Sourdough, high acidity. This points to someone with refined taste.
Did you hear that? The kitchen ghost? After it! Don't let the light catch you!
Steady now, Watson. Watermelons don't float well in soap.
Even a detective has a heart.
Go! I'll hold the line! That spoon belongs to the kingdom, bird. Return it and we can talk terms. There! The golden spoon! The golden spoon! It's at the summit!
Team, prepare for the climb.
Almost there. Keep your peel on, Bella.
I'm right behind you, Chief.
The thief wasn't a monster, but a collector of shiny things. Look at the shiny red pearl.
Got it. Watson, catch. Watson, catch.
Coming through! Make way for the cargo! This is shinier, lighter, and much warmer for a nest.
Case closed?
Balance is restored.
Balance is restored.
The kitchen kingdom is safe for another day.
The humans will be up for coffee soon.
See you at midnight, team.
Stay stylish.
I could have sworn I left this on the counter.
The kitchen detectives, always watching, always hungry for justice.